This dance is called The Rhythm of Love. It's a 64 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance with 3 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with some toe struts. So the first one is to the side, so you step the right to the side, lower the right heel. Second one is crossing over, so you cross the left over the right, lower the heel. Add on a rocking chair, and when you do this rocking chair, you actually need to be facing the 130 diagonal. So you're going to rock into that diagonal, recover, rock back, and recover. That set of steps once more then. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Now there are absolutely no and counts in this dance at all. Having done the rocking chair, you square yourself back up to 12 o'clock as you do another couple of toe struts. So again, the first one is to the side, so side strut on the right, cross strut on the left. Into a scissor step, side, close, cross, hold. That set of steps once more then. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, scissor step, hold. Add that to the top. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step, hold. Vine to the left, side behind, side, cross the right over. Into another scissor step, left foot leading, side, close, cross, hold. That set of steps once more then, vining to the left, off on the left. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, scissor, step, hold. Add that to the top. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor, step, hold. Side, behind, side, cross, scissor, step, hold. You're going to do a couple of forward rocks off on that right foot. You're going to actually step the right to the right diagonal. So you're going to rock, recover, rock, recover. So forward rocks, but your foot is actually stepping into that right diagonal when you're rocking. Then add on a jazz box with a cross. Cross, back, side, cross. So that set of steps once more then. Forward rocks, off on the right. Then back into that diagonal. 7, 8, forward rock, cross, back, side, cross. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Hold side, behind, side, cross, scissor step, hold, forward rock, cross, back, side, cross. Slow chasse to the right with a quarter turn on the end. Side, close, quarter turn, hold. Into a chase half turn, stepping forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left, hold. Slow chasse once more then, half on the right. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section with that quarter turn at the end of the chasse and then your step pivot half part of that chase half turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do as an alternative, do your chasse to the right, side close, but instead of turning quarter turn to the right, turn quarter turn left, as you step back on the right. Hold, then just rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, hold. Takes out that chase half turn, eliminates that 3/4 altogether. Non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 out. Step the right forward into that right diagonal, or 10-30. Touch the left behind the right. Step the left back on that diagonal, back to where it was. Kick the right to the side. Into a little weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, right over, hold. That set of steps once more then. Step, touch, back, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. So chasse to the right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Now you're going to repeat that last section with the left foot leading. So you step the left forward to that left diagonal, or 7:30, touch the right behind the left. Step the right diagonally back to where it came from, kick the left to the side. Into that weave, crossing the left behind, right to the side, left over, hold. Now that set of steps once more then, step, touch, back, kick off on the left. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Add that to our halfway point. Slow chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. To finish the dance, we are going to quite simply add on a rumba box. So step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, hold. Left to the side, right beside left, left forward, hold. Nice easy rumba box, let's just add that to our halfway point. So chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. So that's our two halves. Like I said, no hand counts in them at all. So let's add them together. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Hold, side behind, side cross, scissor step. Hold, forward rock, cross, back, side, cross. Side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Hold, side behind, side cross, scissor step. Hold, forward rock, cross, back, side, cross, side, close, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, strut, cross, strut, rocking chair, side, strut, cross, strut, scissor, step, side, behind, side, cross, scissor, step, forward rock, cross, back, side, close, turn, step, behind, side cross. Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Side close, back, side close, step. Side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Side behind, side cross, scissor step. Forward rock, cross back, side cross. Side close, turn, step, pivot, step. Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Side close, back, side close, step. Now, like I said earlier, there are 3 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Now, the tags come at the ends of walls 2, 5 and 6. Quite simply, the tag is a repeat of the 4th section of the dance. So your forward rock into that diagonal, forward rock, and your jazz box with a cross. That is your tag. So like I say, it comes at the ends of walls 2, 5 and 6. Wall 2 is our 9 o'clock wall. So let's just do wall 2, add the tag on at the end and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Hold, side behind, side cross, scissor step. Hold, forward rock, cross back, side cross, side close, turn, hold, step, pivot step, hold, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, hold, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, hold, side close, back, hold, side close, step, hold, tag, forward rock, cross back, side cross, restart, toe struts, and your rocking chair. So that's how your tags fit in. Ends of walls 2, 5 and 6. The restart comes on wall 4 after 40 counts. So you will have just done your chase half turn and then you restart the dance. So wall 4 is your 3 o'clock wall. So let's have a go at wall 4. Take you up to 40 counts and restart the dance. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Side behind, side cross, scissor step. Forward rock, cross back, side cross, side close, turn, step, pivot step, restart, toe struts, and your rocking chair. So that's where your restart comes in. Wall 4 after 40 counts. So you'll get to wall 2, tag at the end. So that's your 9 o'clock wall. You put your tag on when you're facing 6. When you then get to your 3 o'clock wall, that is wall 4. You do your restart, and you know that the next 2 walls, walls 5 and 6, have also got tags at the end of them. So that's it. That is your dance. That's your walkthrough. It's your tag and restart information. 2, 5 and 6 for your tags, 40 counts, wall 4 for your restart. Let's give it a go to bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. And you're the reason why.
Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Side close, back, side close, step. Side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, scissor step. Side behind, side cross, scissor step. Forward, side cross, side cross, turn. Step, Chest back, side, cross, toe strut. Toe strut. Body. Forward rocks. Chasse. Foot touch. Foot touch. Rumba. Toe struts. Loose start wall.
Makes me fall in love with you.
One.
Over and over and over and over
Forward
again.
rocks. Chasse. Restart.
My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love, and you're the reason why. Every little thing that you do makes me fall in love with you. Over and over and over and over again.
Tag.
Oh, my heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love, and you're the reason why. I never felt this way before. All I gotta say is more, more, more. Over and over and over and over again.
Tag.
My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love, and you're the reason why. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love. My heart beats to the rhythm of love, and you're the reason why. Over and over again. And you're the reason why. My heart beats to the rhythm of love, and you're the reason why.
Hope you managed that one.